Kings of Fortunes. This is not financial advice. Let's look into the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. It advocates for financial independence and building wealth through investing in assets, such as real estate and small businesses, rather than relying on traditional methods of earning and saving money, such as working a steady job and saving money in a savings account. The book also stresses the importance of financial education and teaches the reader how to think like a successful investor. It was first published in 1997 and has since become a bestseller, selling millions of copies worldwide. The author, Robert Kiyosaki, uses his own experiences growing up with two fathers: his biological father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad, as a way to illustrate the differences in mindset and strategies between those who struggle financially and those who are successful. The book teaches the reader about the cash flow quadrant, the difference between assets and liabilities, and how to use leverage to build wealth. It also stresses the importance of financial literacy and encourages readers to take control of their financial future by learning about investing, taxes, and how money works. What the book covers in chapters 1 to 8. 1. The first chapter of Rich Dad, Poor Dad focuses on the importance of financial education and the difference between assets and liabilities. The author argues that traditional education does not teach people about money and how to create wealth, and that this lack of financial education is a major reason why many people struggle financially. The author then defines assets and liabilities, and explains how building assets is the key to creating wealth. 2. The second chapter covers the cash flow quadrant, which is a concept that the author introduces to help readers understand the different ways that people make money. The quadrant has 4 sections: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. The author argues that being an employee or self-employed is not the path to financial freedom, and that the real wealth is made by business owners and investors. The author also explains how to use leverage to build wealth. 3. The third chapter covers the difference between working for money and having money work for you. The author argues that most people are taught to work for money, but that the key to creating wealth is to have money work for you. The author explains how investing in assets such as real estate and small businesses can create multiple streams of passive income. 4. The fourth chapter covers the importance of understanding and managing cash flow. The author explains how cash flow is the lifeblood of any business or investment, and how managing cash flow is essential for financial success. The author also explains how to create a cash flow projection and how to use it to make better financial decisions. 5. The fifth chapter covers the dangers of consumer debt and the importance of saving and investing. The author argues that consumer debt, such as credit card debt, is a major obstacle to financial freedom and that people must learn to live below their means and save and invest for the future. The author also explains the difference between good debt and bad debt, and how to use debt to build wealth. 6. The sixth chapter covers the power of multiple streams of income and how to create them. The author argues that having multiple streams of income is the key to financial freedom and that people should strive to create multiple income streams, such as rental properties, small businesses, and investments. The author also explains how to identify and capitalize on opportunities to create multiple streams of income. 7. The seventh chapter covers the importance of tax planning and how to minimize taxes. The author argues that taxes are a significant expense and that people must learn to minimize their tax burden in order to keep more of their money. The author explains how to use tax deductions, credits, and other strategies to reduce taxes. 8. The last chapter covers the importance of financial literacy and taking control of your financial future. The author encourages readers to take responsibility for their financial future and to continue learning about money and investing. The author also provides tips on how to find financial advisors and how to build a financial team. These are some of the main concepts that the book covers, but it's important to read the entire book to fully understand the author's message and the strategies he recommends for achieving financial independence. Rich Dad, Poor Dad ends with the author, Robert Kiyosaki, encouraging readers to take control of their financial future and to continue learning about money and investing. He emphasizes the importance of financial education and encourages readers to seek out mentors and advisors who can help them on their journey to financial independence. In the final chapter, the author also provides tips on how to build a financial team and how to find financial advisors. He also stresses the importance of taking action and encourages readers to start small, but to start somewhere and to keep moving forward. The author also reminds the readers that achieving financial success is not easy and that it takes time, effort, and patience. He encourages readers to be persistent and to keep learning and growing their financial knowledge. He also acknowledges that the journey is not a straight line and that some failures and setbacks are part of the process. The book ends with the author encouraging readers to take action and start building their own financial future. The book's message is that it is possible to achieve financial freedom, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and a change in mindset.